Boolean operations are meant for telling either true or false, 0 or 1. These are for only two values or two outcomes are possible with this. So, but there are many operations are possible with this too. Okay, so here we are mentioning print true and true. Like as per bitwise logic, true and true is a true, and false and true also true. Here there are some mathematical expression 1 equal to 1, like it is asking whether it is what it is 1 equal to 1. It's a question, like condition is being asked. So 1 equal to 1 the true, and this side 2 equal to 1 it's false. The true and false becomes the false. Like this, there are strings also can be compared. Test is one string and test is another string, so both are equal. So again we are asking equality, right? So that one being result come as true. So like that, there are many operations are possible with the boolean. So we need to go through the expression, and finally the expression should be evaluated based on the it's a true statement or false statement, that is finally given as the corresponding result. So this can be used in many ways in order to get the fine results.